Want to unlock the power of your customer conversations? Let's dive right into Retell Ai's fantastic call recording capabilities. First, you'll need to log into your Retell Ai account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, initiating a call is super simple. Within the platform, initiate your call. And you'll notice a built-in recording feature available when the call connects. Retell Ai automatically records based on your predefined settings. This means no clunky setups or manual clicks every time your calls are constantly being recorded. Now, how do you access these recordings? Go to your dashboard and locate the recorded calls section. This is where all your recorded call data lives, organized in an easy-to-browse list. Click on any call entry in the list, and you'll be able to play back the recording. You'll also have access to time-stamped transcripts of the conversation, which will revolutionize your workflows. You also have the ability to download each call. The beauty of call recording on Retell Ai doesn't stop with playback. You can dive deep into your conversations with AI-powered analysis features. You'll get insights to improve agent performance and overall customer satisfaction. Leveraging Retell Ai as your one-stop shop for simplifying call organization, gathering actionable data, and ultimately improving your team's call handling. Thanks for watching and happy recording.